Hey folks, it's Lucy at Ballyhoo Creations, and I wanted to just drop in very quickly and talk a little bit about Black Friday sales, because a lot of us, we all know that Black Friday is a great time to buy anything, but for embroidery machines, these will be the lowest prices of the year. I've been tracking embroidery machine prices for a couple of years now. I do have a price list. I'll link to it in the description box. It's free. I don't even care for your email address. You can just go and look at a Google spreadsheet that has all the prices of all the different machines to compare with. But I have noticed that Black Friday will be the lowest advertised prices across all the brands. And so this is a great time if you're buying your first machine, or if you're upgrading to a better machine, or just adding another one to your arsenal. Consider the Black Friday sales, which a lot of places are starting right now. That's a great time to buy. Another thing, and I never want to get political on this channel, but there's a lot of talk of tariffs on imports, and that will impact the embroidery machine market because there are no embroidery machines made in the United States. They are all imported. And so whether that's a 10% bump in price, or some people are saying a lot more than that, it's going to affect the embroidery industry a little bit. So again, if that happens next year in 2025, Black Friday now is a good time to buy. If you're kind of on the fence, I would go ahead. Like, I'm considering, like, do I need any machines in the next couple of years? Because I would do it now and not later. That's just me. I just wanted to pass that along to you in case you're kind of in the same place. Just something to consider, because Black Friday has great deals on not just the embroidery machines, but also your supplies. Check those out. Go into your local dealer and look at the sales they have, because their threads, their stabilizers, all that stuff is typically on sale this time of year. In some other embroidery machine related news, you may have seen on YouTube videos that Riley Blake, which is a fabric manufacturer of really beautiful quilting fabrics, they have recently gotten into the machine embroidery area, and they have designers having designs that go with their fabrics. And so the reason that I'm really sharing that with you is, for one thing, go check them out because it's really cute stuff. But also, it tells me that if Riley Blake's jumping into machine embroidery, that means that we're trending. That means that more and more people are getting into embroidery machines, which we have seen that kind of explosion. If you watch a lot of YouTube, you see all the videos. So it's a thing. So congratulations, you're already in the inner circle of that trend. Oh, and also back on the machine part, if you're looking at buying a machine but you don't want a new one, you want a used one, this is also a good time to buy a used embroidery machine, because both Bernina, Brother, and Baby Lock have released new top-of-the-line machines. And maybe that machine is not for you, but the people who are trading in their machines to get that upgrade, there's a lot of used machines that may be available at the dealers, advertised or not advertised. So ask them if they have any used machines for sale, maybe trade-ins. Usually they will go ahead and service them and clean them up and then sell them. And I saw a dealer selling my machine, my 6-needle Baby Lock, was like $3,000. And I'm like, oh my gosh, if I needed one, I would buy it right now, because that is such a great deal. They have so many trade-ins coming in. They were selling them off at really low prices. So again, good time to buy both used and new. Do look at the dealers either way. And of course, other Black Friday type of stuff, everything's going to be on sale. I put my designs on sale, so if you've ever wanted to do the in the hoop projects that you see behind me, those patterns will be on sale 30% off starting probably tomorrow. I don't know. What is today? Skillshare is also having 50% off of their memberships. I've been a Skillshare member for many years, and I also teach classes over there. There's not a lot of machine embroidery there. I will tell you, I have a beginner machine embroidery where you can make a little coaster. There's a class. What I like Skillshare for is for all the other arts and crafts stuff. I learned to digitize on my own by watching videos on YouTube, but the art skills, I did not have those coming into it. I went to Skillshare and I watched other people's classes on how to do faces and how to do different, whatever style of designs that you want to digitize someday. And you need to hand draw them first and then digitize. Skillshare is a great place to learn how to do that. Or if you just want to learn watercolor or video techniques or whatever, there's tons of stuff. So I am a teacher on Skillshare. I will leave my affiliate link to Skillshare. They pay me a bounty if you sign up. But that 50% off sale on Skillshare is pretty amazing right now. So again, now's the time. And then of course, all of the other designs, like most digitizers, put their designs on sale during Black Friday. You'll see a lot of threads and stabilizers, and even if you're looking for applique scissors or something like that, it's a good time to just get stuff now and then not have to worry about it the rest of the year because you bought it at the lowest price of the year. So just reminding you, when you're doing all that Black Friday shopping, remember your machine embroidery, whether it's a hobby or business, and try to stock up if you can. Just a little tip. I also have a series of videos coming up. I've already released a sweatshirt video. I've got baby onesies and beanies are on the way. And then after that, I'll be doing like t-shirts and towels and pants and sleeves and things like that that you don't normally see videos for. And that's to show you not just one way of stitching on those items or projects, but I'm trying to show you multiple different ways. Like if you have a single needle, it would look like this, but if you have a multi-needle, it would look like this. If you're using a magnetic hoop, it would be a little different procedure so that you can see what options you have for your machine, and then also maybe what accessories you might want to add. If you do a lot of a particular thing, like if you're always doing towels, then you might want a magnetic hoop, for example. That's just an example because you'll see how much easier it is with a magnetic hoop. So look for those videos coming up. Those are coming up through like November, December, and then into next year I'll be doing that new series on just different machine embroidery projects. That's all I wanted to share with you. I hope you have a great holiday season, and I will see you later, folks.